And today we're going to talk about how having both a blog and a vlog can help you grow your business online. So the number one reason why having both will grow your business is that it builds the trust of your audience. So for some reason, because of the nature of videos, people assume that someone who's only creating videos that are engaging, entertaining, and short, so they only touch on the surface of the topic, that they don't have enough knowledge or the capability to dive into details about that topic. So by having both a blog and a vlog where you can share the key highlights or the takeaways in the video, and you can share the long form detailed content on the website or the blog, you will be earning the trust of both audiences. Another reason that sometimes people love to see a face behind a brand or a business. So having a video will let them feel that there's someone that they can approach, someone that they can share questions or thoughts with, and you can easily engage with them through the comments. Number three is that having both boosts your SEO. Sometimes people tend to forget that YouTube is another search engine at the end of the day, and it's owned by Google. So both Google itself and YouTube support each other. So whatever applies to Google applies to YouTube. So whenever you're creating a video, you need to optimize it for SEO through like fixing your description, having a good title, targeting the right keywords and the right audiences, and everything else. And once you have that video set up, you can use the link to embed that video on the website so that those who are reading or those who find you through the page or the website will get to spend more time on that page to watch your video. And of course, the more time that they spend, the better, because Google sees that as a good sign, because as long as they stay, they're happy, and Google wants to make sure that the users or the searchers are happy with the content that Google promotes or recommends. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.